Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb on the side marker lights on a Dodge Neon. So let's go ahead and get started. To complete this video, all you'll need are the replacement bulbs for the side markers, which are the bulb number 194 series, as shown right here. You can pick these up online, Walmart, automotive stores, all those places for roughly around a $5 for a 2-pack. Now I've seen some mechanics say that you need to remove these headlight assemblies right here. So that way you can get down in there from the inside here and access the bulb for the marker light. The only problem with that, you're removing these two 8mm screws that are holding it down, but then these things are problematic trying to work that out of there. They're kind of in a tight fit. Sometimes you got to mess with this bumper piece and the molding. Or you'll have what happened here. The previous owner damaged this, I guess at some point trying to pry it out. That's all unnecessary. There's an easy way to get to it underneath, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You can reach up right under there, disconnect it, and do it in a couple minutes instead of fooling with all this stuff here. Let's head underneath and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Coming underneath here, this is the side right here. This is the back side of the marker light on the driver's side, and that's your harness right here. So all you have to do is just reach up there, twist it, pull that out, and there's your bulb. You can put it right back in. Don't have to fool around with taking anything off. Pull that down. You can see there's enough slack right there. And just pull the bulb out gently. Go ahead and put the replacement in. Gently slide that right in place. There we go. Now we can slide it back underneath, and we'll go ahead and screw it back in, screwing it in a clockwise turn, and that'll lock it back in place, since to remove it we did it counterclockwise. Okay, so that's in place. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to test it out, make sure everything's lighting properly, and then that'll wrap this up. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. Turn on just the parking lights. And you can see here with the parking lights, we have them on here, we have them on here. Now one thing to keep in mind is that with the Dodge Neon, your side marking lights, they do not blink with the turn signals, and I'll show you. Go ahead and turn them on here. You'll see what I'm talking about. You have your turn signals here in the front blinking, the side ones do not. That's not an issue with your car if you're getting that problem. That is by default the way that it's wired. Sometimes owners will go ahead and change that configuration, and then basically what they'll do is they'll just cut into the wiring for the turn signal and then loop it in here so that way that blinks with it. That's up to you if you want to do that. We're not getting into that in this video because, like I said, by default the way Dodge has it set up is that these just stay on as marking lights and not as blinkers. So this is done, bulb is replaced, everything's working fine. Shut that off. All right, so looks like everything is working good. That pretty much wraps up this video on how to change out the bulbs on the marker side lights here on a Dodge Neon. What we didn't show is on the other side, same thing. On the passenger side, you can get your hand up there as well. You do have a little bit of a, I think one of the canisters or side of the radiator is kind of in that area, so you have to kind of slide your hand past that, and same thing, you'll be able to get up in there and fish that out the same way we did on this side. So I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.